Okay. Okay, so today we are going to see if we can make this washing machine bounce and jump around. We've got this heavy stone. Bosch literally takes anything that you throw it at, so yeah. It's on the 1200 spin. Here it goes. Are we ready? It's a bit hard to do it one-handed. So here we go. Oh. Bear with me. Okay, here we go. Oh. It has still got the weight on top. Oh, speeding up. Right, time for the log. Look at the top of it. It just takes it. Right, now wait for it now. Ready? I'm going to turn it off. Let's get ready for the jump in. See if we can get it to jump. Oh yeah. Right, I'm just going to put it back into place.